fellow space travelers, let's consult the tarometer for a one-card pull today. Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Boop, 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 boop. Okie dokie. Let's see. I choose you. Let's see. Ooh, this is the Four of Swords. Okay, now is the time for just keeping still, meditating. Everything is stable. Everything is just as it should be. But we need to put a little bit of thought, okay, a little bit of quiet thought into what is going on before we move forward. Do you know what I mean, my babies? Can't just rush forward with a good thing. Have to think it through, always. Sock Monkey always says, take your time. It's not a race. I mean, unless it is a race, but this is not a race. I promise, this particular thing, not a race. I want you to remember, I love you, and pull your socks up.